Hey guys, my name is Serban. I own multiple six-figure dropshipping stores, and in this video I'm gonna give you a step-by-step guide on how to start dropshipping in the UK. Why UK, you might ask? Well, it's because it's one of the best countries in the world for dropshipping. So in this video I'm gonna go through all of the basics, and then I'm gonna teach you how you can get a 100% free Shopify store in less than 2 minutes only by using your email and name. No credit card needed. And then I'm gonna show you how you can find the best winning products to sell in the UK market and how you can import those products to your store with only a few clicks. So put your seatbelt on and let's get started. Alright, so first of all, the whole UK craziness started back when the US was exploding. Everybody was doing dropshipping in the US and they had tremendous success. After the US market got saturated, dropshippers started looking for new countries. It turns out that UK was one of them. The demand is very high and the buying power is also very high, so it looks like a perfect place to start dropshipping. For those of you who don't know what dropshipping is, I'm gonna put it really simple out there. First of all, you create a store. I'm gonna show you how to do that for free in less than 2 minutes. Second of all, we're gonna import some products that we're gonna sell. We're gonna get some traffic, and when somebody buys a product from us, we will forward our order to the supplier. The supplier will take care of fulfilling the order for us, and we keep the profits. So is this business model legal in the UK? The short answer is yes. The long answer is yes, but you will need to follow some ground rules such as respecting trademarks. So then, is dropshipping profitable in the UK? That's what matters, right? It is. It's very profitable because there is a very high customer demand, a very low dropshipping competition, and the very best thing about it is that there are many local suppliers, meaning that we can get very good shipping times. The dropshipping business is well known for having very bad shipping times because usually people ship out from China and that takes up to like 3 or 4 weeks. In countries such as UK, that is not a problem. If you know how to pick your suppliers correctly, you can have shipping times of even 2 to 3 days. And as you can see in this picture right here, the e-commerce sales in the UK alone have been continuously increasing. Alright, so now that I got you on board, the first thing that we need to do is to decide on a selling channel. I would highly recommend you to start with Shopify, as it's one of the leading platforms in the world when it comes to building stores. There are a lot of famous stores built on the Shopify platform, such as Kylie Cosmetics and Gymshark. Shopify is this platform that will let us build our store on their platform with ease. Alright, so let me keep my promise. Let's do this together, okay guys? So the first thing you need to do to get your free Shopify store in less than 2 minutes is go to buildyourstore.ai. Click on the black button that says build my free store, and as you can see right here, it says no credit card required, so that's a good thing. Let's click on that. Next up, put your name and email in here just as I did, and finally pick a niche for your store. This will be the niche that our store will be based around. So for example, if you pick the pet niche, our store will look just like a pet store. If we go with the electronics and gadgets, our store will look just like a store that sells electronics and gadgets. I'm gonna go with the home and garden mainly because I like gardening, and let's click build my free store. As you can see right here, the AI is telling us that we are building your store. Great things take a moment. Our AI is crafting your tailored Shopify store for success. So right now they are building our store. I'm very curious. So guys, it took less than 30 seconds and we already have our store. Right here they say congratulations, your store has been successfully created. And they are giving us an email, a password, and the store URL. Keep in mind that this is only available for 24 hours. So if you want to do this later, make sure to save this information, but no later than 24 hours. So in order for us to log into our brand new store, all you have to do is go to shopify.com, click the login button, and after that, they're gonna ask for your email. So all you have to do is go to the email that you just received from Build Your Store, copy the email, go back, paste it here, continue with email, and they're gonna ask for a password. Go back to the email, copy the password, and paste it here. Log in, and there you go. This is our brand new Shopify store right here. Now, Shopify costs money, but don't worry because we got you. Just because you sign up through buildyourstore.ai, we're giving you an amazing deal. So if you click here, select a plan, all of the plans are only $1 per month for the first 3 months. So that's nothing. To be honest, as a beginner, you don't need more than the basic plan. The only difference is this difference in their fees. You're gonna earn some money in here, but you don't need that when you're getting started. So let's just go with the basic one. Put your credit card information right here and pay $1. So guys, now that I sparked your curiosity, I wanna let you know that all of the stores are original, all of the stores are different from each other, and all of the logos are also original. So let's just go ahead and check out our store. All you have to do is hover over this online store button and click on the eye. So guys, there you go. This is our brand new free Shopify store that AI just made for us in less than 2 minutes. It is called Homely and the O, it's a little greenhouse, looks good. The logo looks original. If you click shop all, you're gonna see that we have added some products in here, and all of these products are making waves on the market right now. All right, so now we have the store that we can work on. The next thing for you to do is to decide what products you want to sell. And now you're probably thinking, but hey, Servant, don't I have some products in there already on the website? The ones that Build Your Store have already generated for my store? Yes, you do. You are right. Those are winning products, but I want to let you know that winning products come in waves. And the products that are working right now might not work in 2 weeks or a month. So what I want to do is I want to teach you how to find those winning products by yourself. And there are manual and automatic ways to do product research. One manual way would be for you to go to Amazon and look for the top selling products. Another one would be to go to AliExpress, which is just like Amazon, but it's a Chinese seller, and go to the bestseller section. This way you can see what products are being sold the best. And after that, let's say we decide on a product. Let's say this one, 5,000 plus units sold. So let's click on that. It takes us to the product page of the seller of this product, where we can check images of the product. We can check the product itself. What sizes do they have? What description do they have? Let's scroll a bit down. Let's see some reviews in here. Let's see what people think about the product. We can view more and see more of the description, of the images that they are using, and think about ways in which we can sell the same product. Let's say we really like this product and we want to take it and put it to our store. And for this, there is a lot of work. For example, the title. The title is Men Winter Waterproof Cycling Gloves, Outdoor Sports, Running, Motorcycle, blah, blah, blah. They are using all of these words just for SEO purposes, but you don't want a title just like this one on your store. So you're going to have to think of a title, right? So let's do some brainstorming and think what title would work best for this product. That's going to take some time. And next we have some product descriptions that we have to change, right? Because they are pretty simplistic with their product descriptions. So you're gonna have to come up with something that people wanna read. And as you can see right here, model number GOL118, people don't care about that. That's not useful information. And you're gonna find all kinds of information just like this on all of the Chinese vendors' product pages. Next up, you're gonna have to inspect all of these images and see which ones of them would you like to import to your store. Not all of the images will be good. For example, this one is very good. I love it. It's a close-up photo of the glove. Next up, they have a lot of other pictures that you can use for your product page and also for your ads. So what you want to do here is save every picture that you want on your store, edit it if you don't like it, upload it to your Shopify product page until you have a collection of photos that you're happy with. And then start looking for some gifts. And then build an attractive product page. All of this process can take up to like 20 minutes for one single product. So what I would recommend you to do here is go back to the store that you just got from Build Your Store. And here on the left side, you're gonna find this apps button. Click on it and you're gonna find some apps that are pre-installed on your store. All of these apps are gonna provide an amazing value, but what I want you to focus on is this one right here, AutoDS, Dropshipping, and POD. So let's click on that. This will take us to our AutoDS account that is connected with our store right now. AutoDS is an amazing automation app that does exactly what it says. They automate your entire dropshipping business. Just to give you an example, you remember I told you it takes around 20 minutes to import one single product. Let's just go back to the product that we want to have on our store. This one right here. So let's just copy the link, go back to AutoDS, and here we have a button that says add products. Now we have the option to add one single product or multiple products, hundreds, thousands of products at once. Just for the sake of this example, we're gonna go with a single product option. Paste the link here, it automatically detects AliExpress. Now you have two options, publish to store and edit now quickly. I do not recommend you to publish to store because this will only copy everything that we saw right here on AliExpress. They will copy everything and just paste it to your store. And you don't want that. Remember, we have some things that we don't want here. So we're gonna go with the edit now. Let's click on that. And as you can see, they are already telling us that they have some variants that are out of stock. So that's a very good thing to know. But this is not what I wanna focus on. So first of all, the title. We have the same title that AliExpress has because they just copy and pasted this. Let's say you wanna change this. So AutoDS has this cool AI thing that will help us generate new titles and description according to what instructions we give it. So for example, let's choose a tone. We can do professional, sellable, and funny. And let's choose a temperature. We can do balanced, creative, or precise. Let's go with precise and professional. AI writes, and the AI is gonna write us a title that's precise and professional. Upon further checking, let's say we don't like this, so let's change it. Let's go with funny and creative. Let's regenerate. This is more like it. Although it's a bit too long, I would just go with this part right here. Superhero grade winter gloves. Conquer ice and eagle with this. That's too long. I love it, but it's a bit too long. Let's just go with this.
Nice.
Save. This is gonna be the title of our product, and we can do the same thing with the description. Now we have this AI generated title, we can have an AI generated description that will remove all of the unnecessary information from our product description. Next up, we can edit our variants, we can remove images. For example, if we don't like this image, we can just delete it. If we don't like this image, we can just delete it. And after we have our final version, we can save and import. Basically, this will save everything we did on our store and it will push it to our store just the way we want it to. And if we go back to our store, products, let's scroll down and look for it. It is right here. We already have the product on our store and it took less than 2 minutes. Guys, that was just one random example and I have used AliExpress. As you can see right here on my screen, this is a list of all of the suppliers that AutoDS work with. So you can go to any of these suppliers, pick any product that you want to go with, and you can automatically import it to your store with the help of AutoDS. Oh, and by the way, I told you that AutoDS automates every step of your business, including product research. All you have to do is go back to AutoDS, Winning Products Hub. Click on that button. This will give you all of the winning products that are making waves on the market right now. They have an amazing team that are updating these products on a daily basis. Let's just go ahead and check one random product from here. For example, this product, they're giving us a lot of information about it. They're telling us how much is the product being sold for, how much money can you earn on average by selling this product, what is the engagement score, how many people are selling this. You're gonna find some ads that are selling this product, and you're gonna find some stores that are selling this product. So you can click on any store and you can see what other stores are doing and how are your competitors behaving on the market. And also, you know the drill. If you like a product, just click on this button that says import draft. It will import it to your draft. You can change it the way you want to and you can push it to your store. Alright guys, so we have a store, we have some winning products, we know how to add more winning products. All we have to do now is to bring customers to see and buy our products. For that, we need to do some marketing. You can do, for example, influencer marketing. You can go to an influencer and tell them that you want them to promote your product. You can pay them or you can do profit share with them. Other thing you can do is to order the product to your place and film some ads by yourself. Film some presentation videos. Upload those videos to TikTok and you will get a lot of organic traffic. This way you can sell the product by leveraging your content. Or if you want to do paid marketing, you can open up an advertising account with Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok and start running some ads to bring in some traffic made out of people that want to buy your products. Next up, you're gonna have to fulfill the orders that just came in. You have some people that just bought your product, so we're gonna have to fulfill those orders. Each time somebody places an order, we're gonna have to get all their information, copy and paste it to our suppliers forms. We need to put the color that they picked, order details, shipping details, their address, their name, their postal code, whatever. Now, of course, you can do this with 1, 2, 3, 5 orders a day, but eventually they're gonna pile up and you're gonna need a lot of time to take care of them. You could hire a virtual assistant to do this for you, or you could just use AutoDS. They take care of automating all of your fulfillment process. And as you can see right here, you can see the status. This item is shipped, this is delivered, this was returned, and the return was completed. So basically, once you connect your store to AutoDS, you can have thousands of orders every single day without you having to lift a finger. They're gonna take care of everything 100% automatically. But guys, our job is not done here. Even though somebody bought our product and we made our profits, we still have to cater for those clients. The only thing left for us to do is to provide an excellent customer support, because this is how we can grow our brand and make people trust us. Make sure to answer all of your tickets, take care of all of your emails. By having this button that says track your order, you're gonna have a lot of time saved, because most of the messages that will come from your clients are, where is my package? Where is the order that I just paid for? And by having this option right here that's automatically made by Build Your Store, you're gonna save a lot of time, because people are just gonna click here, they're gonna put their tracking number in there, and they're gonna find out for themselves where's the package or what's the status. So guys, now you have all of the necessary tools to be a successful dropshipper in the UK. Make sure to leave a comment below telling us what product you want to sell in the UK market first, and I promise you I'm gonna read all of the comments. Thank you for watching. Until next time.